Welcome to this StayPrivate tutorial. In this video we'll be going through how to send a e-sign attachment using the Chrome extension. If you'd like to then fill in the recipient's email address you'd like to send to, and then from here you can click on the Secure Mail button located next to the Send button, which will allow you to fill in the subject of the email. And once you're happy with that, you can click on OK, and this will then create the secure equivalent email address for you in the recipient's email address. You can then fill out the body of the email and attach the document you wish to send as an e-sign request. Once you have attached the document, you will need to then put after the subject hashtag e-sign followed by the name of the document that you've attached. Once this is done, you can then send the email and the document with an e-sign request